How to remove audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and locate the clip where the audio is out of sync with the video. Drag both the video and the corresponding audio clip into the timeline if they aren't already there. Next, zoom in on the timeline so you can clearly see the waveforms of the audio and the video frames. This will help you identify where the audio and video start to drift apart. Then, unlink the audio from the video by right-clicking the clip and deselecting Link Clips. This allows you to move the audio independently without affecting the video. After that, select the audio track and drag it left or right to align it properly with the video. If the audio and video drift continuously, meaning the sync is off at the beginning and worsens throughout, you may need to adjust the audio speed. To do this, right-click the audio clip, select Change Clip Speed, and slightly increase or decrease the speed to match the video length. Once the audio is perfectly aligned with the video, right-click both clips again and choose Link Clips to sync them back together. Finally, play back the clip to double-check the audio sync throughout the scene. Make any small adjustments if needed by repeating the steps above. And that's it. Now you know how to remove audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.